but how will all of these cues impact our own markets? Our research team is joining in with how the trade setup looks like, the stocks that are likely to be in the news, and the setup on the F&O side of things as well. Firstly, Vinny joins in to get all the market cues we need to watch out for today. Vinny, good morning. It was a forgettable session for the bulls. We are at very critical levels. What are the setups looking like this morning?
Absolutely. So yesterday's session, like you're saying, that everyone wants to forget this session. Nifty, Sensex both closed at intraday lows. Nifty slipped below the 23,600 mark also intraday. So that was important to watch out for. Now, this is the single biggest intraday fall that we've seen coming in for the Nifty since almost October 3rd, 2024 in percentage terms. Losers like Tata Steel, Trent, BPCL, NTPC, all among the top Nifty 50 losers, while what was supporting yesterday in terms of the move was Apollo Hospitals, Tata Consumers, Titan, as well as HCL Tech. Now, key to watch out for is how are the FIIs who have come back from their holiday season? How is that going to move? Because yesterday, FII selling continued. They sold almost 2,575 crores, while DIIs continued to buy. Factors that we're watching out for in terms of impact, what is key to watch out for in trade is the upgrade on the latest virus that is there, HMPV. Not much of a concern as of now, highlighted by most doctors as well as in terms of ICMR's note that came in yesterday. But so keep an eye on that. But FII selling, that will be key to watch out for. Q3 updates that we've seen pouring in even this morning. So keep to watch out for those stocks, as well as in terms of US dollars bond yields, how that is moving will be important for the markets. And obviously Nifty implied open as of now indicating a mild bit of a positive start that we're watching out for, up almost 70 points.
Interesting. It remains to be seen whether that sustains or not. But over to Abhishek now, who joins in with the stocks that you need to watch out for in today's trade. Abhishek, good morning.
Good morning. To begin with, Bajaj Finserv December monthly update has come, wherein the general insurance premium is down about 2.5% month on month, while the life insurance that has seen total premium increase by 60% month on month. As such, Kelkar Q3 business update, the company is witnessing healthy demand across key segments. However, they have said that margin pressure is anticipated to persist until Q4 FY25, after which the margins are expected to normalize, and their debts in the book is now increased to about 700 crores. Now, sources say that Steel Ministry has proposed, KIOCL as well as NMDC merger. So NMDC aims to export, iron ore pellets from KIOCL after the proposed merger. Manappuram Finance, they have confirmed a daylight robbery incident at their, Sambalpur, Odisha branch. Manappuram says that the company has reported the incident to the authorities, filed an FIR also, and the total loss is about 20 crores. Now, almost every other year, you get to hear about, a robbery at a branch of Manappuram. Power Grid, they have been declared successful bidder for 2 projects to establish interstate transmission system under BOOT basis, that is build, own, operate and transfer methodology. Ashoka Buildcon, their arm has executed a concession agreement with NHAI for a little under 1400 crores. Kaplan Point, their US FDA has issued EIR with 483 observations for their arm in the state of Tamil Nadu. So US FDA inspection was there in the facility in August of 2024. BPCL, they have issued clarification on news report that Maharashtra Natural Gas to list through IPO of over 1,000 crores. They have said that the board has given an in-principle approval for the IPO subject to regulatory approval. Back to you.
Abhishek, thanks a lot for that. And finally, Mangalam joins in with cues from the F&O space. Mangalam, good morning. We have very critical levels now for the Nifty. How is the F&O setup looking like?
Well, yesterday indeed was quite a horrific session for the markets. And if you look at the Nifty Bank as well as the mid-cap index, you would see that there was, a fair amount of selling and something that was really hurting everyone. This morning, there is some reprieve when it comes to the GIFT Nifty. Let's look at the reasons for decline. The first one, of course, was the rupee being at a record low. Secondly, the weak third quarter updates. And then we had the HMPV scare that came by as well. But amidst all of this bad news, the Nifty did not break December 31st low of 23,460. In fact, it rebounded from 23,550 itself. So that's a positive. And secondly, the market fell on low FII selling. Yes, the rupee was at a record low. But if you look at the FII selling in the cash market, it was just 2575 crores, not something that we haven't seen earlier. And on the other hand, the DIIs went ahead and bought 5,700 crores in the cash market. And that's not all. The FIIs actually bought in index futures, close to around 240 crores. They unwound some short positions, added some long positions as well. And as a result of which, between Friday and yesterday, the FII long exposure inched only higher from 17% to 18%. So what is it that led to the big decline in absence of such selling? My sense is it was the unwinding that we saw from put writers that led to this further downtick on the market. So we had the 23,700 put writers, 24,000 put writers, all of them caught on the wrong side, and as a result of which they had to unwind their positions. But on the way up, we saw a lot of call writing at 23,800 and 24,000 itself, and that brings me to the question, could there be a bounce inside? Why do I say that? Because overnight, the dollar index has cooled off by almost 0.6%. Secondly, experts are saying on HMPV, there's nothing really alarming about it. And the third part, because of this, strong call writing that we've seen, the Nifty put call ratio has moved to 0.72 as well, which is at the lower end of the range. The GIFT Nifty is indicating a positive start. The first test of a reversal will be when the Nifty crosses, and if the Nifty crosses that 200-day moving average of 23,900. Yesterday, there was a big fall, but could there be a recovery or not is the big question today.
That's the answer everybody on the street will be looking for. Mangalam, thanks a lot for that. Time for